हीनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिर्धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति.
In today's drama, we are going to see the complete summary of our second chapter, which on a whole includes 4 main roles. First, Tamoguna, the mode of ignorance. Second, Rajoguna, the mode of passion. Third, Sattva-guna, the mode of goodness. And finally, Sthita-prajna, one in pure Krishna consciousness. Let's look deep into how the subtle elements of mind, intelligence, and false ego affect these 3 modes of nature and the Sthita-prajna. First, let's see how Tamoguna, the mode of ignorance, is behaving.
What are these songs and bhajans early in the morning? What day is it? Friday? Did I go to office Monday to Thursday? Yes, I don't remember. Anyway, today is Friday. If I go to office today, tomorrow Saturday, Sunday holidays. I can enjoy it, but
Oh, Tamogana, I am your mind. Forget the work, man. Life is to eat, sleep, and enjoy. You trained me in this way. That's why I am encouraging you in the same way. Let's sleep for some more time.
Tamoguna, I am your intelligence. It is my duty to inform you what is right, what is wrong. But it's up to your decision. How do you get salary if you don't go to the office? How will you take care of your expenses?
Tamoguna, I am your false ego. Who else can sleep like me? It is possible only for me. Who knows how hard it is to sleep for all these days together? Though I sleep all the time, it is impossible for me to forget about this. That is me.
Tamoguna, I am your soul. If you lead your life like this, then all the paths for reaching God will be closed for me. I have no chance of getting a human body in my next birth.
Now, let's see how Rajoguna, the mode of passion, reacts to the same circumstances.
Oh my god, 6 o'clock already! Immediately I have to start planning for my part-time job, and then from there I have to go to my regular job. There is no time for bathing. I can come and take bath after I come back from the office in the evening. Let me just wear deodorant. I gotta go.
Rajoguna, I'm your mind. Work, money, work, money, work, money. You train me like that. That's why I always try to remind you the same. It's not my mistake.
Rajoguna, I am your intelligence. You always work like a slave all day. This is not at all good for you. No matter how many times I reminded you, you never change. You never think of worshipping God or doing some prayers.
Rajoguna, I am your false ego. Because of my power and capacity, I am able to earn all these properties and money. Who else can earn like me? This can only happen for people like me only.
Rajoguna, I am your soul. Are you able to remember at least the word God in your busy life? If you continue like this, how can you attain salvation? Forget salvation. You don't even have chance of actually being born as a human being in your next life.
Next, we will see how Sattvaguna, the mode of goodness, reacts to the same situation.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I successfully completed my today's Vishnu Sahasranamam recitation. And now I will start for office after completing all prayers for all my deities.
Sattvaguna, I am your mind. Worship God to get some results. Worship results. Worship results. This is what you stored in me. The same I am reminding you.
Sattvaguna, I am your intelligence. I always remind you not to think about the result for your prayers to God. But you never listen to me. Better do nishkama karma without expecting results.
Sattvaguna, I am your false ego. Who else can do pujas and vratas like me? No one can.
Sattvaguna, I am your soul. You are doing great, but I cannot get salvation. Maybe you can try in your next life.
Now, let's see how Sthita Prajna reacts to the same situation.
How wonderful it is to wake up God with these songs. Though God is always awake, He is giving us opportunities like this to serve Him in different ways, with which we can enjoy His bliss always.
Sthiti Prajna, I am your mind. Seva, Seva, Seva. This is what you have stored in me. You never get confused of anything and simply think that everything is the service to God. That's why I never think of any unnecessary things at all.
Sthiti Prajna, I am your intelligence. I always show both good and bad. But you always choose the path that's pleasing to God.
Sthita Prajna, I am your false ego. I am not doing anything. I am not the doer. God does everything for me. I am just an instrument in the hands of God.
Sthita Prajna, I am your soul. I am very happy. I am eagerly waiting for my time to reach God.
Next, Tamoguna, Rajoguna, Sattvaguna, and Sthita Prajna are on their way to the office. Now, let's see their experiences on their way to work. First, we'll see Tamoguna.
What is this traffic? We have to work 5 days in a week. Just get 2 days off. This is not fair. We should work only 1 day in a week and rest of the 6 days we have to enjoy it But I don't know when these rules will change.
I am your mind. You always train me that all your friends go to office only one day a week. So I am reciprocating the same with you.
Tamoguna, I am your intelligence. I always keep saying you that is not good to do, but you never listen to me. My duty is to discriminate and let you know. That's all I can do.
Tamoguna, I'm your false ego. I am the best computer specialist. If needed, office people need to come to me. There is no need for me to go to the office.
Tamoguna, I am your soul. I cannot understand the reason for your ignorance. This body that you have now, along with all your computer skills, will perish at death. But I have to find another suitable body because I am eternal and have no birth nor death. No one can cut me into pieces by any weapon, nor burn by fire, nor moisten by water or by wind. With this kind of your behavior, I cannot imagine what body I am going to get in my next life.
Now, we will see how Rajoguna will react in the same situation.
Oh no! What is all this traffic? There's so much to do. Time is completely getting wasted because of this traffic. Somehow I have to buy a helicopter by next year. That is the only way to get rid of this traffic. I can't bear this anymore.
I am your mind. You saved two things regarding the helicopter. One is to have your own helicopter, or the second one is renting or leasing it. It will be more easy if you have your own helicopter.
Rajoguna, I am your intelligence. You always think about temporary stuff that won't come along with you after you die. You always give importance to bodily comforts.
Rajoguna, I'm your false ego. Who will get an idea of having whole helicopter? It's possible only for personalities like me.
Rajoguna, I am your soul. Did you get any chance to think of about my welfare? You never think of anything other than the bodily benefits. This body will not be there with you after this life. I am Sat Chit Ananda. Sat means I am eternal. Chit means knowledge. Ananda means happy. Why don't you think of me?
Now, we see how Satvaguna reacts to the same situation.
There is a heavy traffic today. It's good that today I choose public transport. So lucky I am. Now I can complete all my chanting rounds easily.
Satvaguna, I am your mind. Chanting, book reading, and offering prayers to God. These are the only things you stored in me. So I always reflect to you the same.
Satvaguna, I am your intelligence. I always suggest you to complete your chanting at Brahm Muhurat. Chanting in front of others seems like a show off.
Satvaguna, I am your false ego. I will complete chanting 16 rounds each day. Who else can complete chanting like me? It's possible only for personalities like me.
Satvaguna, I am your soul. Don't show off your chanting to others. Try to do everything to satisfy me. Don't neglect me thinking that I am not visible, as I am not made of the Panchabhutas: earth, water, air, fire, and ether.
Now, let's see how Sthita Prajna reacts to the same situation.
A lot of traffic today, but I have completed my chanting rounds in the morning itself in Brahma Muhurta. There are a lot of benefits in choosing public transport. I can utilize this time to share some spiritual knowledge with others.
Sthita Prajna, I am your mind. You stored in me a lot of examples which will help us in our practical life. Now you can utilize this time in your preaching and share the wisdom with others.
Sthiti Prajna, I am your intelligence. You are connecting yourself spiritually with everything and everyone. You are really doing good.
Sthita Prajna, I'm your false ego. You always consider everything in this world as Krishna's property. That is really very good.
Sthitaprajna, I am your soul. You always think that everything happens for good reason. You take everything at Krishna's mercy. You cannot imagine how satisfied I am.
Until now, we observed how the three modes of material nature and Sthita Prajna reacted in the previous situations. Now, we will see how they will react in office and for the situations that will occur there. Now, let's start with Rajoguna.
Okay, somehow I reached the office. Let me check my email. What? No bonus this year? What? What am I to do now?
Rajoguna, I am your mind. All this is because of persons like Tamoguna only. Company is going through loss, not giving bonus and all other benefits like this.
Rajoguna, I am your intelligence. Why should I suffer for others' mistakes? I can't tolerate this anymore. You should find another job.
Rajoguna, I'm your false ego. I was doing all the work. I'm not getting any benefits for the work I'm doing. This is not at all worth it.
Rajoguna, I am your soul. We should not have attachment for the work we do, nor any expectation on the result for what we do. Attachment leads to lust. From lust, anger arises. From anger, complete delusion arises. Later, memory is bewildered. Intelligence is lost. When intelligence is lost, one falls down into the material pool again. This is not at all good for you.
This is not at all a surprising thing. The market situation is not good and it will take some time for the situation to get improved.
Satvaguna, I am your mind. Thought of offering a nice golden crown to the deity for getting my name first in the donor list. Now I can't make it happen.
Satvaguna, I am your intelligence. Improve the situation by cooperating with manager or resign from the job.
Satvaguna, I am your soul. Like the seasons, these situations will come and go. Don't bother or worry much about all this.
What? What happened? Why are you looking so sad? Rajoguna, why are you looking so sad?
Did you check your email?
Email? My email account locked. I forgot my password.
It is mentioned in the manager's email that we all received that this year we are not getting any bonus.
No bonus? What is this?
Tamaguna, I am your mind. I have planned a lot for New Year. Without a bonus, there is no alternative.
Tamoguna, I am your intelligence. At least now you will change and reduce doing your nonsense things.
Tamoguna, I am your soul. Listen to your intelligence. I don't have death, but it seems like you're killing me with your behavior.
Oh, no bonus this year? Well, that's okay. At least we should feel grateful to God that we haven't lost our jobs yet.
Sthita Prajna, I am your mind. Why this all happened? And how is it happening?
Sthiti Prajna, I am your intelligence. It's better to talk to the manager and advise him if anything is needed.
Sthitaprajna, I am your soul. Don't worry about the happiness or sorrow that comes into your life, as they are temporary. Have faith in Krishna.
There is so much commotion going on. There is no bonus, there may be salary cuts. Everyone here is so tensed. But see, that Sita Prajna is sitting so quietly as if nothing has happened at all.
I am also observing her every day. Sthita Prajna is always happy and joyous.
Okay, let's go and ask her the secret of her happiness in spite of all these confusions. Tamoguna, please come.
Why should we care for others? My legs are paining, being here and there. You go, I stay here.
That does not make a big difference if you're here or there. Your computer is locked and you have forgotten your password. Instead of sitting here, you can come and sit there. Come along with us. Sthita Prajna, we are all so tensed and yet here you're sitting so calmly. There is no bonus, there may be salary cuts too, but you're so joyous and so happy always. You didn't even feel like something has pricked you. Can you please share us the secret of all your happiness?
I'm listening to all your conversations. The reason for my happiness and the background of my joy in my life is the person who is sitting over there. He is my guru, who is guiding me through all my life. Let me take you to my guru. Namaste, Guruji. These are my colleagues from work who want to know how I am happy and stable in any situation of my life. Can you please explain them?
Hare Krishna. It is very simple. Just follow the Bhagavad Gita, especially the second chapter. The life is a combination of both happiness and sadness, just like we have a summer and winter seasons. So we should not feel happy for the good things happening around us, and at the same time we should not feel upset for the bad things happening to us.
What? We should not feel happy when we are happy? I take 2 packs every day and sleep happily. Is it not that happy? So what is the meaning of life then?
Tamoguna. First let me explain and then you can ask your questions later. What's this? Hand. If we cut this hand and throw it away, Is there a value for the hand that was cut? There is no use at all with that cut hand. It will be useless thing now. This is a value or identity for the hand only when it is intact and attached to the body. My hand, my leg, my head, my. We say my for everything, but we never say that I am hand, I am leg. Then who am I? Soul. Just like there is an identity or value for the hand only when it is intact with the body. Similarly, there is an identity or value for the soul. The so-called I only when it is in connection with the God. When we always search for the bodily desires, then the connection between the soul and the God is lost. Now I will clear Tamaguna's doubt. You said that you will sleep happily all night by drinking 2 pecks. The superficial so-called happiness you get from that is only for this body, not for the soul.
Soul, soul, soul. Who saw this soul? Soul, supreme soul? I don't understand any of these. You take my example. Besides this regular job, I work 2 more part-time jobs, maintaining a good bank balance. Every year, I take my whole family on vacations. We go to Hawaii, Grand Canyon, Disney World, cruises, and so on. What can we call all this enjoyment with family if it's not real happiness?
Very good point. Before answering your questions, I wanted to know whether all of you believe in having a rebirth?
There are a lot of books written by many scientists on birth, rebirth, and near-death experiences with practical proofs in America. They studied many cases and wrote all these books.
Very good. Now I will come to Guna's question. Rajoguna, you have a very good retirement planning by working for part-time jobs along with your regular job. Seems like you are maintaining a very good bank balance too. You are planning wisely for your life after 60 years. Then why shouldn't we plan for our next life? Why shouldn't we maintain our bank balance for our next life? That's the balance we can maintain for our next life. That is the way we can make our soul happy. Chanting and service to God, all these are bank balances we can maintain for our next life.
We asked you to tell about your stability in the difficult situations like this. But what are you telling all this nonsense to us?
I am coming to that point. First, you should understand that you are not the body, you are the spirit soul. Then you can understand and realize that everything you have or see around us is Krishna's property. It means that you don't have anything that really belongs to us. Or we can't even take anything to our next life, including our spouse, children, grandchildren, or anyone or anything. That means if you don't have any attachment, if you don't have any assets or properties, then you should never fear or anxiety about anything. That's it. Everything clear?
Oh, what an explanation, Guruji. It's me, mine, my family, my property. If we feel everything like this, then all these tensions will follow us. What else can we do to change from not being in this well of mine? How do we practice to get rid of all these worldly pleasures?
All this cannot be happen in one day. St. Louis ISKCON is providing us Bhagavad Gita classes for in all languages if we participate in those classes once a week for 1 hour, which we can apply this real wisdom to our practical life.
What a surprise! Check your email. Manager sent us an email. We all got double bonus. He got enlightened after hearing all our discussions.
Wow, that is great news. But now I'm not going to be greedy about this money. I will keep only what is necessary to maintain this body and for my family, and use everything in this rest in the service of Krishna.
Me too.
Me too.
I'm so happy today. I cannot express how happy I am.
That's so wonderful. Let's all join in Bhagavad Gita classes and end today's session with the Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
मात्रस्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्यास्तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत। न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वान् भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे।